Hey everyone, so today I decided that I'm going to do a the pink and the blues. That pink and these two blues right here. So I just I have a Mary Kay eye crayon from years ago. Just was right here. I want to start with the blue and put the light blue, and put that in the. It's almost a shame to use them, the because you're taking out I call it embossment. I don't know why. The imprint. Oh my goodness. This has been crazy. I've been trying to catch up with stuff that I've let go for months. And so I was starting to feel good that I'm, knocking out stuff I need to do. But as my son says, the medical establishment they just let him down. He finally gets his insurance. I'm gonna do the pink now. And there's this whole mess that's been happening for months. When my husband went to the emergency room, they put him under my son's name, and it just became this whole big thing. And that carried over, because that's once they put that information in, it's public for all hospitals to use. They said they fixed it. They said we got a phone call to set up an appointment, and they make us an appointment. And of all places, it's the stupid hospital that hurt my hand and didn't want to take responsibility for it. Unfortunately, that's the hospital they use this insurance. And I'm going to take that gorgeous blue. It's got some glitter in it, but it probably won't show. So, make an appointment, and they said they don't have anything for 2 months out. This was, I think, the end of August. No, this was early August. Oh, come on. It went into my pink. Dang it. I don't mind the fallout, but it went into my pink, and that might be hard to fix. Grr. Anyway, my son has lost 60 pounds in less than 5 months. He can barely eat. Oftentimes, when he finds something that he can keep down, eventually he can't keep down anymore. Try and fix this. Okay. And you're at the mercy of the people who are in charge of this. So I get a phone call this week. I keep thinking I'm gonna get finish up what I needed to do, and it's not happening. I got a phone call telling me that I need to get there early in the morning on Thursday, that they found a sooner appointment yesterday for him. And I don't know if that's the reason why this whole mess happened. I'm just taking this nice white color right there. Oh, cream shimmery color as a highlight. So I'm thinking, OMG, I am not a morning person. Ever since the hand injury that stupid hospital caused, I have problems with getting up in the morning. And but did what I had to do. Pretty much just roll out of bed. Oh, and by the way, the dentist was supposed to call me last week to make an appointment for this week for my daughter, because her gums were swollen and she needed to take her antibiotics. Well, she finished her antibiotics, and they still had not called me. I had to call them, and they're like, "Oh, we don't have anything available for another week. It's at 8:30 in the morning." Thank goodness it's not too far from here. I don't have to go all the way out to Alvin for that one. I tell you, it's just been a frustrating week. And anyway, so I get up, just put on some foundation. I just, I keep makeup in my bag. I was going to do my makeup there. And somebody dropped the ball. They never got the referral. I don't know if it was because they changed the appointment. And they said, that'll be $208. I'm like, I flipped out. I'm tired. literally, I was scared I was gonna fall asleep at the wheel because it's hard for me to get up early now, and it takes me it took me over an hour to get there because none of the highways that take you there are near me, and so I just take a street that goes straight over there, and somebody dropped the ball. My poor son needs this endoscopy. I'm so frustrated. Oh, what a week. So, this is what I'm gonna do with regular, black liner mascara. So, let me finish my makeup and I'll be right back. Hey everyone, so this is the finished look. I decided to use the Screech and Lisa blush. I just, put the darker color here, the lighter color on top. These don't really bring highlighters, so I just took a little bit and just a tiny bit and put it on my nose. I used the pink ones, and I don't remember who they belong to. The weird thing is this purple actually has the pink, and the pink actually has the more plummy, purpley color. But I put the pink, and it smells like bubblegum, so it's pretty cool. And just wanted to say that I used it last week, and I said I liked it. I love this thing. It is so soft. I've been using it every day to put powder on. So, yeah. That's what I did with that.